How to do ink suction from waste ink pipe. Ready your syringes and gloves. 1. Turn off your printer total power. 2. Move the printer head manually to the far right position until it can't be moved any further. Find your waste ink bottle position. 3. Do the ink suction slowly. Do not release your right hand, otherwise the ink will flow back into the print head and cause color mixing. It will take you about 1 minute. Do one time again.